Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll show you how to repeat rows, especially rows that contain column headings at the top of all printed pages for easy interpretation of data. You ask, why would you want to repeat rows on all your printed pages? It is essential when the height of that worksheet makes it impractical to fit the worksheet into one printed page. Looking at our set of data here, you see that the rows is quite large. And if we are to print this area into one page, it will be so tiny that the reader will find it hard to read, right? So before we apply this feature, we'll look at the preview. We'll use the preview button to see how this will look like if we are to print out without applying the repeat rules feature onto this worksheet. But before then, I would like to hide these rules for better understanding of this feature. I'll hide the rows. Good. Now I just have the data visible, and this is the data I would like to print out. So to view the present state of this worksheet before applying the repeat rows column, I'll just click on the print preview. Good. Now notice we have our page 1 with the column with our row heading, customer January, February, March, April, and May. So if I click on row 2 now, see, I have my row 2, but I don't have the heading, right? I don't have the heading. The heading is not there. So I don't know the heading description for this, for this, for this, for this. So in this lesson, I will show you how to apply row heading on all the printed pages of your worksheet. So go back to the worksheet. Good. Now to do that, you go to your page layout. Under the page setup, click on the printouts. Good. Now you see the section that says rows to repeat at top. Select that point, then select the row. I want to repeat row 11. So immediately your arrow, this dark arrow appears, just select the entire row. You'll notice that the entire row is selected, row 11. So you just click on print preview to see the effect of what we just applied. Good. Now we have page 1. When you click the next page, you see. Good. We have our heading, row heading appearing on page 2, and that's how it will appear on all printed pages. So this is how you apply the repeat row features on your worksheet when you want to print your worksheet. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.